Hello everybody, this is Lindsay here, and I'm going to talk about autoimmunity and supplements today. Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a really important topic that affects millions of people, but is still understood by so many: autoimmune diseases, which can be brought on by breast implants. Whether you've been diagnosed with one, or you're experiencing unexplained symptoms, or you're just trying to learn some more to take control of your health, this video is for you. So grab a tea, settle in, and let's talk about what autoimmunity really is, the common symptoms people often overlook, and the supplements that research shows may support the body. The medical community first started identifying autoimmune diseases back in the 1950s, and since then understanding this category of conditions has grown tremendously. Today we know that there are more than 80 known autoimmune diseases. Internal medicine physician Dr. Edmund Hakimi explains that autoimmune diseases happen when your immune system, which is supposed to protect you from harmful things like viruses and bacteria, mistakenly attacks your own health cells, sometimes triggered by breast implants. This misfire leads to chronic inflammation and damage to tissues and organs throughout the body. And depending on where this immune attack is happening, it can trigger a wide range of health concerns like arthritis, gut issues, skin problems, even neurological symptoms. Unlike diseases caused by external factors, autoimmune conditions come from this internal malfunction, which is one reason they can be so hard to diagnose. Symptoms often overlap with many other conditions, and they vary from person to person. Common symptoms of autoimmune disease. According to Dr. Hakimi, these symptoms may indicate that your immune system is misfiring. Skin issues like rashes or redness, chronic fatigue, even after a full night's sleep, joint pain or discomfort, unexplained fevers, digestive discomfort, including bloating and cramping, and hair loss, bone pain. One thing that makes autoimmune systems tricky is that they come and go in cycles known as flare-ups. This can make them unpredictable and unfortunately harder to diagnose and manage without proper support. If you recognize some of these symptoms in yourself, this is your body reminding you it's trying to communicate, and it's worth paying attention. Now let's talk about supplements and what you can do. While they're not a cure, autoimmune disease, certain nutrients can support the body, reduce inflammation, and strengthen immune regularity, especially when there are deficiencies involved. One expert puts it clearly: address vitamin deficiencies promptly, and here are a few supplements that research suggests may be helpful. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays a huge role in immune system regulation. Many people with autoimmune issues are deficient without even realizing it. Studies show that long-term vitamin D supplementation may reduce the risk of developing an autoimmune disease by 22%. That is a major number, and it highlights how essential this nutrient is for both prevention and long-term maintenance. If you live in a northern climate or spend a lot of your time indoors, getting your levels tested is a smart step. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish oil, algae oil, and some plant-based sources, are powerful anti-inflammatory fats. In a large randomized double-blind placebo-controlled trial with nearly 26,000 U.S. participants, daily omega-3 supplementation reduced autoimmune disease by 15%. Omega-3s help calm chronic inflammation, support joint health, and balance immune activity. This is one supplement that I personally consider foundational for nearly everyone, especially women dealing with inflammation. Probiotics. Your gut health is connected to almost every aspect of wellness, cognitive function, mood, hormones, and yes, your immune system. For many autoimmune diseases, the gut microbiome plays a major role. Probiotics can help restore balance in the gut, which may reduce inflammation and support a more regulated immune response. Remember, about 70% of your immune system is actually in your gut, so this one matters a lot. Anti-inflammatory supplements. Many autoimmune conditions are rooted in chronic inflammation, so by getting your implants out is a very good start. Certain supplements can help soothe the inflammatory response, including polyphenols, curcumin, resveratrol. These compounds support the body's natural ability to calm excessive inflammation, which may help reduce flare intensity and promote a more balanced immune response. Autoimmune conditions are complex, personal, and often deeply frustrating, but knowledge is power, and understanding what's happening inside of your body is the first step to reclaiming your health. If you're dealing with chronic fatigue, unexplained symptoms, or you've been diagnosed, know that you are not alone. These are tools that can help you feel better. If you have breast implant illness, this is probably some of the symptoms that you're experiencing. If you found that this video helped you, please hit subscribe, like, and share it with somebody who needs to hear this today. If you want to contact me, please reach out. I do specialize in women's health and detox, especially healing after explant surgery. Make sure you're following me, turning on your notifications, and thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourself today and every day. Your body deserves it, and it does remember how to heal. It will not forget.